Hi, this is Daniel Moody from BearBootTraders.com. Today I was writing my journal and I came across one trade that I could have done much better job on Friday, August 31st, 2018. And I've done a lot of mistakes in the past. I'm just trying to avoid those mistakes. Probably these mistakes it became habit, and we all know that old habit die hard. So one of the habit that I was doing in the past is counter trading, and I did it unfortunately on this trade. Basically, I was trading the news, not trading the chart. In this 5 minute chart of ticker big, which is big lot, I was kind of biased by the news. So I knew that the stock is gonna be short really soon. So out of blue, I went shorter on here, which was middle of nowhere. So I knew the stock is going and hit the 50 moving average. And God knows after that it could go up. And but I was thinking, my thought process was this goes here and is gonna bounce back, so I better enter here, which was totally and completely wrong. So that's the first mistake that I've done. The second one was counter trading, which I'm no interest to do it anymore, and hopefully I'm not doing it anymore. And in the second chart, it shows that if I want to do short, when should I do that? You can see this is actually 1 minute chart that when I see this bearish candle, I could let this finish, and after this finish, I can right around 44.12. I could go short here. First of all, I know that the stock is not going up because this is a moving average and there was some resistance around here and it couldn't go up. And right now, I'm 100, not 100%, but 80, 90% sure that the trend is going to be changed and is going to be bearish. And so if I just enter here around this area, 44.12, my stop loss would be on top of this bearish candle, which was 44.44 or something like that. And my reward was all the way to VWAP, which is the risk reward ratio was really significantly good. So this is that I could have done better instead of just like middle of a nowhere and shorting a stock on the bearish stock, which was wrong. And the other confirmation, and these days I'm just like looking for 2 or 3 confirmation before I do stock short, which I didn't do in this stock specifically. That I'm looking at 2 minute chart as well as 1 minute and 5 minute. And as you can see, the trend is bullish all the way to here, which is kind of indecisiveness. Um, yeah, Candle, which I don't know what it will be called, but it's kind of like a doji, which is not doji, but it shows that the trend is going to be changed really soon, and it is indecisiveness. It's between buyer and seller. It's obvious. And so this is another one. And the other confirmation in these days, I'm looking to it, and it's for my trade. It's really work out. It's level two. Level two is just sometimes talking to you. And before I went short, it was another confirmation that it shows around 44.01. There are lots of sellers that want to get rid of their stocks. They're huge. And it means that, first of all, they are so desperate. They want to just get rid of this stocks really fast. So it shows that stock is going down. And just be careful. This, ask is not here in the middle or here. So they are not waiting. They are just want to get rid of their stock as soon as possible. So that's another confirmation that this area was the best area to enter, not this area. And at the end, I'm gonna show you that even though the stock reached to the VWAP, which was planned from the beginning, but my trade was 100% wrong, and I was lucky that the stock didn't go and past this moving average. And actually, this is a 1 minute chart, but it didn't pass this moving average in 5 minutes. So I was so lucky that at the end, it made it to the VWAP. And the other mistake that I've done here, which I didn't set up, my order, so I had to get out from my hotkey, which is not bad, but it's not quite right. I could get exactly around here, just like 43.25. And I hope that you guys like this video, and thank you for all the people who are sharing their videos and trades. And thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend.